Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will to fix Super Meat Boy 3D game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on power. Now select restart and then select power and select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as after your PC and Steam restarts. Now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this is working now. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 or Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But if doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game file. Once done, launch the game and then check. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. So if you cannot find the game, no need to worry. You simply have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update option. Here you have to click on check for updates option. It will check if there is any update available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. After selecting it, right click on it and then click on End Task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue, because somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game without any further problem. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. After that, close this. Now restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. Next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size, In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. So for that you have to go to the settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Now open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Super Meat Boy 3D game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and finally reinstall Super Meat Boy 3D game, and finally reinstall Super Meat Boy 3D game once again, and then check if the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Super Meat Boy 3D game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.